Chef Mix Motufo out here, you know what you doing out here?
We're making burgers. Gotta give a little shout out to Bubba Burgers. They're not paying us, but no, it's still pretty good.
All right, let's go see what Zach's up to in the kitchen. Man, what you making out here, Zach?
Bacon.
Yeah.
Some good bacon.
So how you feeling about this bacon, Zach?
Oh, this shit smells good. No smell.
Megan, what are you making for the bun, Zach?
We got some French toast cooking. We got our egg wash. Buttering up the bread. Dude, it's gonna be good.
Would you say you're a 5-star chef? Are you
6 maybe?
6? Okay.
Yeah.
Oi, Miguel! Zach rated himself at a 6-star chef. What are you rating yourself?
A 6-star chef? Freaking, I'm a 10.
Oh, you're
sorry.
a 10?
I'm a 10.
Oh, okay. Got a little competition between the chefs here. You know, we got the burger maker here, and then we've got the French toast guy inside. But you know, how are these burgers looking?
Oh, they're looking phenomenal.
No!
French toast and like a fried egg.
Alright guys, welcome to vlog day 1 officially. Woo! We are out here playing lacrosse. We just
made a fire breakfast. Fire breakfast.
right. So right now we're just out here doing nothing. Well, not doing nothing, but we're trying to play lacrosse. What are we doing after?
Probably go out to go to the grocery store, get some food so we can make dinner
And feed ourselves.
So today the plan is, I don't really know what the plan is. Just kind of got here, okay? And then we're gonna play ball, I guess.
We can play ball. I don't see why not. Alright, let's go see what Zach's doing. There he goes.
Alright, so we are on the way to pick up Kevin and Swanee.
I think.
Swanee?
I spy something that is red.
That.
No.
Something red?
Yes.
That.
Yes.
Something red.
That! That! Oh, Will.i.am, is that you? Is that you? Will.i.am, oh my god, can I get an autograph?
Oh yeah.
Hello. Dude, we just got a signature from Will.i.am.
That just says boom boom.
What's up?
What happened to the Black Eyed Peas?
Damn, I don't know, man. I forgot some of their names.
We got Kevin, we got Swanee. We got Swanee and Kevin, now we're gonna go back to the house and we can fucking vlog anymore, alright? So this is off because the basketball's in the canal.
Balseros!
We're post meeting right now. This is Kyle. Have you made an appearance yet?
Nah, first time.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Kyle.
He goes to Harvard.
Yeah.
Oh,
Jay-Z song was on, and the Jay-Z song was on. So I put my hands up to play my song. Butterflies fly away. Nodding yeah.
How much money have you made, Zach?
$16.
You got a tip?
I got $2.
Hey! How much money have you made, Miguel?
$6! Alright guys, so we are currently on the way to Johan's house because he left his laptop when he was supposed to get it, but he didn't. What is your excuse?
I just forgot.
Is he locked out? I think he's locked out. You need help? Oh. Okay. Be safe. Hi, Swanee. I didn't get a hi back.
Nope.
What?
It's a duck.
No.
It's a burger.
No. Where? You're kidding. Hi, little guy. Hey, are you okay? We probably shouldn't bring him inside though.
Huh?
Because of Phoebe.
Yeah.
Oh no. I want to save it though.
This is crazy. He's so good. Dude, look how beautiful though. You should probably move your car. Look at him. It seems like I'm choking, but I'm not. I'm holding him so like lightly. He just ran over his glasses.
I just broke my glass. You're joking, bro.
At least we got the bird.
I just broke my glasses.
Yeah, you did. It's okay, buddy. We'll fix you up. I'm gonna name him Quizno. His name's Quizno. It's okay, Quizno. You're safe. Jacob. Jacob. Wait, I just said it's fake.
Miguel!
Yep.
Miguel, look at that. Hello. Miguel! Want a worm? I don't have
Just put him in the corner, see if you walk around.
No!
Dude, I ran over my glasses. So we were like driving up to like park, and then I see something on film. Like, what the heck is this? Like park? And then like I freaking go up and I see like this little guy there, and I'm like, yo, what the heck? So then we check him out, and I'm like, take him to the grass. So he's walking into the grass. I'm like, all right, I'll park the car, but I left my glasses on the floor. So I'm driving up, and I hear, and I'm like, what was that? So then I'm back up, and then my glasses are like split in half.
Oh shit.
So yeah, so that's how I found a little quiz. Now thanks for breaking my glasses.
Well, that's what's left of them. I'm so sorry for your loss.
I just ran over my glasses, and I can't find my other pair.
Hey, at least Quizno's safe. Okay, buddy. Bye, Quizno. They grow up so fast.
Actions can analyze a particular bitch of the situation.
Yeah? I hate when it does this.
Oh, we're doing that. No.
Oh god, what are you guys doing? We're recording.
It is not what it looks like.
We're not starting.
You need to wipe your ass. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you go like and subscribe to the channel.
Also, we're on social media. We're on Instagram. We're on Twitter @JordanMazaki. Don't forget to follow.
I'm going crazy on Tuesday. Spring game at 7 at Calvary Christian Palmer Tree 13A. Long live Dirac. Hey, rest in peace, my brother.
We will try to post as much as possible. We're gonna try every other day, if not every other 3 days. If you haven't watched our intro video, which is already up on YouTube, you could find a link on Twitter, Instagram. You guys got that. See you later.